Automation is reshaping industries everywhere. But does that mean welding careers are over? Let's find out. I'm Stan, and I cover real career paths in the skilled trades. In this video, we'll look at whether welders will be replaced by automation, why welding is still a strong career path, and how to future-proof your skills. Yes, robots are welding, especially in factories where tasks are repetitive and controlled. But welding isn't just about repetition. Field welding, pipeline projects, aerospace, and custom fabrication require human adaptability and precision. Automation covers some jobs, but it doesn't eliminate welding careers. Humans still win where it matters. Critical safety welds, unpredictable environments, and high skill specialties. Aerospace welders, underwater welders, and certified inspectors perform work too complex or too important for full automation. Welding continues to pay well. Median salaries sit around $45,000 to $65,000, but specialties, pipeline, underwater, aerospace, earn $80,000 to $120,000 plus, and the career ladder is clear. Apprentice to journeyman to master to inspector. Welding skills also transfer across industries like construction, manufacturing, and energy. Here's the reality. Some entry-level jobs will shift to machines, but welders with advanced certs, inspection skills, or the ability to operate robotic systems will be in higher demand than ever. The future is about welders who can work with automation, not compete against it. Want to stay ahead? 1. Get certified in TIG, pipe, or aerospace welding. 2. Learn inspection, CWI, and robotic welding operation. 3. Build a portfolio of complex custom welds. 4. Stay adaptable across industries, energy, infrastructure, aerospace. So, is welding still a good career path despite automation? Absolutely. Welding isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The welders who train, specialize, and adapt will thrive. On-screen CTA button. Download the Welding Career Path Guide. VO. Grab our free guide for pay.